हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड पेंशनर्स। सो मिस्टर सी एन वेणुगोपालन जी का एक बहुत अच्छा जो जेस्चर है रिगार्डिंग वन रैंक वन पेंशन वो दोस्तों आउट हो चुका है। तो आप उनका जो सर्कुलर है टू मिसिज निर्मला सीतारमन जी ऑनरेबल फॉर मिनिस्टर फॉर फाइनेंस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, तो उसका रिस्पेक्टेड मैन may I invite your attention to the press report which appeared in Times of India dated 11th November 2020 under the caption retired PSU bankers may get the benefit of one rank one pension। सो वन रैंक वन पेंशन का जो मैटर है उन्होंने बड़ा क्लोजली फ्रेंड्स 2020 का लेकर आए हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ अवर हॉनरेबल मिनिस्टर फॉर फाइनेंस। So the report stated further that the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji has advised banks to do more for the employees who retire earlier so that they are not discriminated against in terms of pension. So an update in the pension scheme is required because a 1990 retired employee get a fraction of pension as compared to recently retired employees. So this is also because the pension is linked to last drawn salary. सो बैंक्स नीड टू अपडेट देयर पेंशन स्कीम। सो बैंक्स को जो उनकी पेंशन स्कीम है वो अपडेट करनी चाहिए। थो द सेकेंड एनिवर्सरी डेट और रिपोर्ट इज ड्राइंग नियर, सो नथिंग रियल सीम्स टू हैव हैपेंड सो फार टुवर्ड द फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ योर मच publicized promise which was greeted with immense delight by retired bankmen. So meanwhile, unfortunately, many depressed bank pensioners who got rejuvenated by your promise have left this world with unfulfilled hope and expectations. So दोस्तों, going by the Bank Employee Pension Regulation BEPR and its genesis, for all intents and purposes BEPR is based on the सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पेंशन रेगुलेशंस एंड आरबीआई पेंशन रेगुलेशन। सो अकॉर्डिंगली अगर आप देखें तो रेगुलेशन जो 56 ऑफ BEPR expressly provides for a reference to central government pension regulation in the event of any dispute or difference of opinion in the interpretation of BEPR. So enabling provisions are available in the BEPR for updation of pension, जैसा कि आपको पता है रेगुलेशन 35(1) में clearly mentioned है friends. So the board of directors of public sector banks have adopted the BEPR in consultation with the RBI and with the previous sanctions of the central government. So further, the central government has published the BEPR in its official gazette. So one fails to understand why the DFS should be micromanaging the pension regulations and the need for a further authorization from the DFS for implementing the regulations. So the DFS was withholding the updation of pension in the Reserve Bank of India for quite a long time, stating that if it is considered, it will give rise to a similar demand from PSB, which DFS will find difficult to resist. तो अगर आप दोस्तों देखें, subsequently the DFS has approved pension updation in RBI and also in the NABARD. So then why is it that they are hesitating when it comes to updation of pension in the public sector banks? So this even though the majority of public sector employees are foot soldiers who translate the financial policies of the government into action, unlike the majority of Glassdoor personnel of RBI and NABARD. जैसा कि पता है भी जो पेंशन सरकारी स्कीम्स हैं वो बैंक्स ही दोस्तों बहुत इम्प्लीमेंट अच्छे से करते हैं, ना कि RBI और ना ही NABARD. So kindly refer to the judgment delivered by the Honorable High Court of Kerala on 16th August in the writ petition M.K. Ravindan versus Union of India. The court has laid down the pension to be revised from time to time. जो पेंशन है वो टाइम से टाइम अब रिवाइज होनी चाहिए in accordance with the pay revision taking place through bypass settlement and clarify the importance of regulation 56. There are a few more points that I can add here, but I am mentioning them as they are all too familiar. तो जैसा कि आपको भी पता है भी जो सारे पॉइंट्स हैं वो आपको भी फैमिलर हैं। तो गाइस दिस वाज द लेटेस्ट अपडेट एज ऑन टुडे October 24, जो मिस्टर CN वेणुगोपालन जी ने अभी निर्मला सीतारमन जी को लेटर लिख के बताई हैं फ्रेंड्स। दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस सेशन। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल।